Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it's all about the neck. Oh, it's the summer months and we all want to wear like our spaghetti strap. We want to show off a little part more of our upper body, but guess what? Your neck is just not looking like the rest of your body. There's a simple solution to that. I'm going to share a recipe with you that you can use to transform your neck, to get rid of rough neck, to get rid of darker looking neck, to allow your neck to look like the rest of your body. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and also I am going to share some tips on how to get your neck to look younger, fresher, and more brighter looking. Now before I get in the kitchen, don't forget to watch the video to the end. And if you're new here, you might not be aware that we've launched the Khichi Beauty skincare line. If you're interested in our skincare products, you can click on the link right here, ALESMAXii.com, or you can click on view products in this video. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. My first ingredient is going to be oatmeal, and oatmeal is rich in exfoliating properties. Using oatmeal on the skin will help to get rid of dead skin cells. It will help to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. Not only that, oatmeal contains absorbent properties that will help to get rid of the extra sebum from the skin. Oatmeal also has skin firming properties that will help to tighten and firm your neck once used on a regular. So what I'm going to do with the oatmeal, I'm going to be blending the oatmeal, not completely to a powder, but to a fine granule that is fine enough to exfoliate the neck. So I'm going to do this by blending. If you have a blender, go ahead, use it. If not, use a grinder and just grind the oatmeal. I'm going to be using about 1 tablespoon of the oatmeal. If you want to make the remedy for at least 2 uses, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal. Now once this is done, I am gonna reach for some orange peel. This is dried orange peel, and orange peel is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C will help to get rid of dirt and grease from the skin, but it also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Using this orange peel, you're gonna get a double whammy because you're getting vitamin C and exfoliating properties. So I'm gonna add a couple of pieces of the orange peel, and I'm gonna place it in the blender along with the oatmeal. You can use orange peel, you can use grapefruit peel, you can even choose to use lime peel, and yes, I prefer the dry one because we're also looking for the granules. So let's go ahead and blend, and once this is done, guess what? I'm gonna store mine in a small container. Store it in an airtight container, and you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 6 weeks. Next, we're going to reach for our next ingredient, and this is baking soda. And yes, I said baking soda because baking soda have exfoliating properties, and the granules are very, very fine, making it perfect for a neck scrub base. So we are going to be mixing the baking soda along with our orange peel, and we are going to blend it together. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. If you have very sensitive skin, cut down on the baking soda and use about a half a teaspoon. So now let's reach back for our orange peel mixture, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of the orange peel, placing it in the blender, and now we are going to blend. So we're mixing oatmeal, orange peel, and baking soda. You want to make sure to get rid of all of the lumps from the baking soda, and this should feel more like coarse cornmeal with very, very fine granules. So go ahead and get rid of the lumps, and then guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna add some liquid to this. Now you can choose to use either oil, or you can choose to use like milk or green tea, soy milk. You can use any form of a liquid. I personally enjoy using coconut oil, since coconut oil is one of the better oil to use for dark spot and blemishes on the skin. It also is good for dry, rough, cracked ears, knees, and elbows, and perfect for the neck and perfect for this recipe. So I'm gonna use use about a teaspoon of the coconut oil. Go ahead and slowly work it in. If you need a little more, go ahead and add a little more to the mixture. This should be soft but not too watery. You want it to just have a perfect fine granule neck scrub consistency. And remember, if you want to make more, double up on the ingredients. So we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well, fully blending all the ingredients together to a nice smooth paste like we are showing right here. So once this is done, guess what? The remedy is ready to use on the skin. Exfoliate your neck and your décolleté. This is going to clear the skin cells, lift, tighten, and firm, and it's also going to give your neck a more youthful appearance. Don't forget to take it down on the décolleté, especially if you have crepey neckline. You want this to look smooth, you want this to look clear, and you want it to look bright. This is good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best result, for the most effective result. No need to store in the refrigerator. Go ahead and store this on your countertop. You can keep it in your bathroom so it is readily at hand. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.